Are you scared of me? Are you scared of me now? Hi everyone, my name is Elijah. My team's name is the Wolves of the Wild.
Hi, my name is Caitlin. Hi, my name is Candace.
Hi, my name is Mila.
Hi, my name is Peter.
Hi, my name is Sanvi.
Today we will be teaching you about how to be safe with wolves and live safely with them.
This information is from the Colorado Parks and Wildlife. Here is a way to be smart. S is for stop.
Do not run. If you run, the animal may chase.
Make yourself look big. Put your hands over your head or pull your jacket over your head. Look as big as you can so the animal knows you are too tough to mess with.
A stands for announce.
Leave me alone. This lets the animal know you are a person, and it lets people around you know that you may be in trouble.
R, retreat by backing away slowly. Do not turn your back to the animal.
T, tell an adult about your encounter.
Now you know more about how to live safely with wildlife.
And don't forget, be smart. S.
A, R,
T,
Be
smart.
smart.
This information is from the
Remote Tennant Tribe 2021.